welcome. You're watching the News Hour Agenda. I am Padmaja Joshi. Increasingly, Mamata Banerjee has been having a difficult week. It's been a long one for the TMC government in West Bengal. Already under scrutiny after a probe into the murder of 9 people in Birbhum was handed to the CBI. Today, the government suffered a double blow. First, TMC MLA Naren Chakravarti was banned by the Election Commission from campaigning for a week. This after he was found guilty of threatening voters against casting their ballot for the BJP. But it didn't end there. The BJP's fact-finding panel that had been sent to investigate the Birbhum killings by the party leadership submitted its report today and made some damning observations in their report. They said, for a beginning, that mafia is ruling West Bengal in connivance with the police and political leadership. It also said that the law and order machinery had collapsed, because of which law-abiding citizens in West Bengal had lost faith in the government. Naturally, the Chief Minister wasn't happy at all with the findings and with the Election Commission's action, and she said that not only was the fact-finding panel an interference in the CBI investigation, but also that increasingly institutions are being misused in order to victimize non-BJP governments and opposition parties.
I condemn this type of attitude. Government must see that when there is any incident happens in anywhere in the world, when investigation is on, there should not be any interference from the party side or from any side. How they can mention without investigation my district president name? It means they want to arrest him. That is a personal vendetta. They want to arrest all throughout the country, whoever is opposing the BJP party.
कानून व्यवस्था जिसको हम कहते हैं, लॉ ऑर्डर मशीनरी पूरी तरह से ध्वस्त पश्चिम बंगाल के अंदर हो चुकी है। हमसे जाने से पहले वहाँ के डीजीपी नहीं गए, वहाँ के मुख्यमंत्री जी जो वहाँ पर जो है विजिट पर नहीं गई, इतना सीरियस केस हुआ है। उनको जब मालूम चला कि हमारी टीम वहाँ पर जा रही है, कलकत्ता हम जब लोग पहुँच गए, उसके बाद नेक्स्ट डे मुख्यमंत्री जी जाते हैं।
वहाँ पे हमें रोका गया, फिजिकली असॉल्ट करने की कोशिश की गई, और उसके बाद हम जब वहाँ पे पहुँचे, हमारी टीम ने तहकीकात करके जो रिपोर्ट है आज हमने जमा किया। उस रिपोर्ट में आप देख सकेंगे कि किस तरीके से बिरभूम में उन सब इलाकों में कोई आईपीसी, भारत के कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन कुछ लागू नहीं है। वहाँ पे टीएमसी के लीडर्स ही लास्ट वर्ड है।
So now, with 2 indictments coming within 24 hours, will Mamata Banerjee act against the MLA who has been wrapped by the poll panel? Else, if there is no action, will it not reinforce the feeling, the allegation that has been leveled again and again against the TMC government, that in West Bengal, it is the law of the ruler? Is Didi under even more scrutiny than ever before?
You're watching the News Hour at 10, debate number 1 on Times Now, Super Prime Time.
Joining us on the debate, we have Nupur Sharma, national spokesperson of the BJP. We also have Dr. Shashi Panja, Minister in charge of the Women and Child Development Ministry in West Bengal, Tausif Ahmed, advocate. And my first question is to Bharti Ghosh, national spokesperson of the BJP, former IPS officer, and somebody who was a member of that fact-finding panel. Now, Bharti Ghosh, the report says some very scathing things. One, that there is a rule of the mafia. On what basis do you make this allegation against a democratically elected government?
Namaskar. Good evening, Times Now, and namaskar, good evening, and hello to all the viewers. Actually, in West Bengal, there is not only the law of the ruler, but only the law of the ruler, and no other law exists. The way we were assaulted, the way we were manhandled, the way we were stopped when we wanted to visit Bagtui, the scene of the crime, clearly reflects the fear of the Trinamool Congress, that they don't want to see the truth. They don't want the public to know the truth. After the incident, the Chief Minister of West Bengal did not bother to visit the place of occurrence. I want to ask the Chief Minister why. Why? Today, Shashi Pajaji is sitting over here. She is the Minister of Women and Children Development and Welfare. Did she visit the scenario where innocent women and children were killed? Did she go over there and see what happened there? Boktui entered history as a black page in the administration of Trinamool Congress. But neither the Chief Minister nor the Minister of Women and Children Welfare bothered to visit there till the fact-finding committee reached Kolkata. After that, the Chief Minister went over there and immediately ordered arrest of Anarul Hussain. Who is she to order arrest? Today, as I sit here, more than 400 bombs have been recovered from the Birbhum district. 30 kg of explosive items have been recovered. And the person who has died, innocent 40-year-old Najma Bibi, before dying, a person does not speak anything wrong. She speaks the truth. You know, in the dying declaration, she has implicated Trinamool leaders and the state administration. Now, what do the Trinamool say about this? Do they have any lajja? Do they have any lajja? They came with a promise of parivartan. Promise of parivartan after the Chota Angaria incident happened with the CPM government, where the house of Bokhtar Mandal was burned.
Okay, let Dr. Panja answer to the questions you've raised so far.
With the promise of parivartan.
What would you say to Najma Bibi, who died implicating TMC? Is there any lajja? Ask Bharti Ghosh. Dr. Panja.
Padmaja, are you asking questions or the co-panelists will ask me questions?
The co-panelist is asking you a question. Because she has been on a fact-finding mission.
Times now. No, I am here on your invitation.
Okay.
Okay. No, I'm answering. If it's your question, I will answer to you. Okay.
My question.
The point is that there are some allegations which. Yes,
the people
there are some allegations
are asking questions.
Of the former
ex-IPS
officer.
People
yes, we will answer.
Are asking questions. You have come
yes,
here. You are a minister. You are accountable to the people.
You were the one who was asking the question.
You are accountable to the innocent women,
asking the question.
innocent children who have died
Excuse
over
me,
there. They have been burnt alive. They have been burnt alive.
Then just go ahead with the conversation with
Ms. Ghosh, give her an opportunity to answer. You have asked a question, give her an opportunity to answer.
You don't need me here. You can continue with Bharti Ghosh and her false allegations. Please continue with her.
Dr. Panja, answer the question.
There is no issue for us. We are there on other channels.
Ma'am, the charge is...
we are allowed to put our viewpoints.
Yes, please put your view.
I think you should take...
Yes, the charge is simple.
I have understood.
Yeah, please listen to the question.
My Honourable Chief Minister...
Yes, go on.
My Honourable Chief Minister, the Honourable Chief Minister of the state has visited the place. So she is no one to question who is going to visit and who's not going to question, who's not visited. She has visited the place. She was live on television when she was speaking to those people who have been affected by that burning incident, the Rampur Hat incident. You see, we have no language.
Yes, the fact-finding report though says that the Chief Minister of West Bengal decided to visit after the BJP's fact-finding team reached Kolkata.
No. You see, it is a BJP delegation. I am not answerable to the BJP delegation which was sent by their party president, JP Nadda. We are waiting for CBI inquiry. The CBI inquiry is on. And even prior to that, the SIT was set up and the SIT had taken action because those very case diaries and those very accused, those are the people who are also being questioned by CBI.
Okay, so ma'am, I would like to stop you there just for a second since you mentioned the CBIs and you mentioned the SIT. Dr. Panja, let's be clear on the facts here. Since you mentioned the SIT, the Calcutta High Court, while handing the case to the CBI, said that despite an SIT being formed on the 22nd, there was nothing that they did. That even the basic evidence was not collected. This is not us saying it. This was the Calcutta High Court, ma'am. And in addition to that now, the fact-finding team is saying, when we went to the spot, we were assaulted. What do you say to allegations that while an investigation is underway, People
do not
are being
try to
assaulted.
influence. Precisely, while the investigation is underway by the CBI, why should the BJP come out with its facts, and why should we discuss about that? Are you trying to influence the inquiry of the CBI? How important is it? A fact-finding mission, is it you are trying to influence the investigation which is going to be done by CBI? Is your fact-finding above the CBI? What are we to understand? I mean, you disregard the CBI, the inquiry. Why can't you wait? They are going to submit the report on 7th of April, and we are sitting on a panel to discuss the BJP delegation. Excuse me, there was no delegation which was allowed in UP and Hathras or even Assam.
Okay, answer that, Nupur Sharma. When a central investigation is underway, why are you interfering politically by sending a political delegation? Are you influencing CBI?
There are three things I want to say. Padmaja, I have three things I want to say. Ms. Bharti Ghosh, previously, you have to allow me, Padmaja, this is not fair. But this is not fair, Padmaja. I'm sure the minister is not hard of hearing that she cannot hear that I was asked the question. Most certainly, she's not the anchor, she's not going to rule the roost.
I didn't speak, Padmaja.
The fact of the matter is, Padmaja, a previous public servant...
Okay, one at a time, please, ladies, one at a time.
Allow me...
Yes, go on.
Allow me. Not fair. Not fair, Padmaja, not fair. She's not here to heckle everybody and take everybody's time. She doesn't
Actually, it was Bharti Ghosh who was speaking, but please go on.
Yes. Public servant, an IPS officer, so was the minister, Padmaja, so was the minister. A previously serving IPS officer has no right to ask question. But a minister representing a political party has a right to choose as to who to answer and has a right to actually divulge as much information as she wants to, and she wants to hide and suppress. Wow, this reeks of arrogance. Rather, I would say the government of West Bengal today has no right and cannot actually call the shots, because repeatedly the High Court of West Bengal, seated at Calcutta, has proven its distrust, rather mistrust, in the government and the administration run by Mamata Banerjee, which is why they did not believe in the SIT set up by her. They chose it better, rather, to direct that the Central Bureau of Investigation investigates the entire case, be it the violence post the 2021 assembly elections, post the result on 2nd May 2021, or the recently concluded massacre at Rampur Ghat. The fact of the matter is, even the courts of law do not trust the Home Minister, come Chief Minister, Ms. Mamata Banerjee.
No, but answer the question asked of you. The minister is asking you, when the CBI probe has started to your satisfaction, why have a political panel?
I'm coming to that.
Yes.
I'm coming to that. Padmaja, I'm coming to that. We are a political party. We have every right under Article 19 to visit any place in this country. It's a fundamental right of every citizen in this country to visit and take any legal activities for that matter. Since she has decided to color this as an intimidation of CBI, pray tell me, what is this? 17th May 2021, the CBI officers decide to investigate and arrest Bengal ministers and MLAs in the Narda briberies case. The Chief Minister decides to reach the headquarters to intimidate them. I'm sure you will answer this, madam. We also remember how the Chief Minister infamously went to the court. Was she also trying to intimidate the judicial system of this country? Because we would not actually hold her above all of this. We all remember when there was an investigation into one of these scams, she decided to intervene, sit on dharna with the police commissioner in tow. It was only after the case was transferred, the courts of law had to interfere and whack the Mamata Banerjee administration. No, the investigation will go on. No, the Commissioner of Police will have to turn up for inquiry. So please don't pretend to be holier than thou. Rather, the fact-finding committee of the Bharatiya Janata Party, which had 4 IPS officers, bureaucrats and senior police servicemen from previously, these people have every right under Article 19 of the Constitution. You, whereas, as the Chief Minister, did not have the right to interfere by going to the court where your people were arrested or visiting the CBI officials.
Dr. Panja,
no work to do.
Dr. Panja.
What I'm going to say is simply this. The courts have repeatedly shown how they do not trust the Home Minister, Mamata Banerjee, and the Chief Minister. And let's not forget, she had a smiling, gleaming face on posters the day she
is it
decided to visit
rhetoric?
Rampur Hart.
Okay,
was it an
continue.
achievement that she was going to celebrate?
Dr. Panja.
Was it an achievement? No, it's a fact. It's a legal fact that you can't counter. Counter me with legality of facts. Otherwise, accept you've been exposed.
Enjoy.
The fact that even Honorable Supreme
Please
Court has
continue.
actually come on and observed under the Chief Minister, the Chief Justice of India.
Continue
yes, I will
to
continue.
scream.
You don't decide how much I speak,
Continue to
madam.
scream.
You will be curtailing my free speech and free.
Okay,
and
Dr.
my fundamental
Panja,
right of
respond to the
You
question
know,
specifically asked of you.
you is a Punjab
Why didn't you go?
That-
Why didn't you go and
Padmaja,
visit
I am a bit
the
confused.
women
I'm
who
a
were
bit
bereaved?
confused
Women and
because-
children were killed.
No, Padmaja.
Why didn't you go
Padmaja,
there?
Honorable
Bharti
Chief
Ghosh reached there. You
Minister
say she's
visited
political.
the
Why didn't you
place.
go there? You're Women and Child
Madam,
Development Minister.
Madam, the Chief Minister is more important than me. Excuse me. Padmaja, it needs no rocket science to understand that the Chief Minister is more important than me. The State Child Rights
important.
Commission,
In
the Women's
democracy,
Commission of the
everybody
state,
is important.
everybody
Chief
has
Minister
visited. She
cannot
is
be more
more
important than the innocent
No,
women
madam,
and children
if
who
you
have been
allow
killed in
everybody to
Rampur
butt in,
But the Chief Minister
then
does
I
not
need
want to be
also
more
some
important
questions
than the
as to
innocent
what
members of the families
as to
who have
what
been
their
killed.
reaction will be
In
when their
democracy,
Minister of
in rule
State
of law,
in the Delhi
everybody is
Delhi
important.
Assembly elections
The
in the
Trinamool
name of
Congress is
rhetoric
trying to
went on to
influence
say
everybody,
Desh ki
every
gaddaron ka.
corner.
How
The
about
criminal
some
justice system.
reaction to that?
Bharti Ghosh, the question is
how
to
come
you.
you allow during assembly of Delhi Assembly, how did you allow that? To say Desh ki gaddaron ka, etc., kisko mala hai goli se. All ex-IPS officers. Do you condone that?
Madam,
do you condone
since
that?
you are a minister
Do you
who does
condone
not know
that?
the law, since you
And
are a
you know
minister
what?
who
Delhi
does
High
not
Court
know the
has-
law,
the
madam,
Election Commission,
I will answer
the
your
Delhi
question.
Commission,
Since you pretend
the
to be a
Election
minister who
Commission
does not know
at
the
that
law,
time
which
only
court of
gave-
law in India
said that 24
has said that the
hours-
minister in question
24 hours not
is
to
found
campaign.
guilty of
Is
making
that-
that statement
is that what was
and-
expected?
and giving a speech which created riots in Delhi.
Who's guilty?
I challenge you,
Who's
madam.
guilty?
I am a lawyer practicing in the courts in Delhi.
My
I
goodness.
challenge you,
see,
madam.
there-
I
this
challenge
is-
you.
BJP
cite
is in
the
a state
judgment
of constant
and
denial.
the order of
You
the
see,
court
since
of
they
law,
did not win
which
the
said
Bengal
MOS
elections,
actually
they
said those
think
words
they can
and
subvert
held him
all
guilty.
issues
Did
to
not
their
have
own
time to go
convenience.
to Rampur
And
Hart.
They are now
thereafter,
trying to
Yes,
deny
said
their
that
own
is the reason
minister
why
Why did you
riots
not
said,
go
happened
to
in Delhi.
Rampur
said
Hart,
about
Dr.
Goli
Panja?
Maro.
Okay, Dr. Shashi Panja, actually, since you bring up that case, let me bring you up to speed with that case. The Delhi High Court is currently hearing a case which has been filed by Brinda Karat on the specific issue you mentioned, and the court in its observation has said that when certain statements are made as political rhetoric, they don't necessarily become a call to violence. That being said, this matter is still sub judice. The order is reserved.
Exactly.
While we wait for that order,
Absolutely.
yeah, while we wait for that
No,
order, how is that in any way connected to what is happening in West Bengal? Now, just a second, Nupur Sharma. To Dr. Shashi Panja and Bharti Ghosh. Dr. Shashi Panja, are you refuting the allegation that even now, when someone tries to go and do a fact-finding mission in Birbhum, they are attacked?
Your media was not allowed to reach.
Ma'am,
Can you tell me why the delegation of MPs was not allowed to Hathras, UP?
No,
or to
it is
Assam?
not a,
One.
it is
No,
not
let me
only a
complete.
question.
Secondly,
It is
you
not
were
only a
mentioning
question
about-
of the
you were
Trinamool
mentioning
Congress
about Narada case.
trying
You
to
were
prevent
mentioning
the
about Narada
fact-finding
case.
committee.
Bharti
They are
Ghosh was
trying to
mentioning
influence
about Narada
every
case.
corner,
Shubhendu
every
Adhikari,
corner of the
who
country.
belongs to the BJP.
Okay, no, this is a very
Who
serious
belongs
allegation.
to
Just a second.
BJP?
Bharti Ghosh
They are
versus
trying
Dr.
to
Shashi Panja.
influence
Dr.
every
Panja, I don't know if you
corner
heard
of the
this. Bharti
criminal
Ghosh is
justice
saying
system.
that
And
they
today-
found you are trying to
today-
influence the witnesses in Birbhum.
Single bench honorable judge of the Kolkata High Court also said this. The single bench judge looking into the school service commission matters also said this.
Bharati Ghosh, please answer. Why has Shubhendu Adhikari not
The
been
single
told
bench judge
in the
of the
Narada
Honorable
case, he was
Kolkata
seen
High
on
Court
camera
also
taking money?
indicated that there has been attempts to
Why? Because
influence
now he
him.
belongs to the
So the
BJP.
question of influencing the entire criminal justice system,
BJP
the question
now
of
because
stopping people,
Shubhendu Adhikari.
opposition parties
Why is
to
Shubhendu
visit
Adhikari
scene of
not called in
crime,
the Naroda
these
case?
are the trademarks of
Why
the
is Shubhendu
West Bengal
Adhikari
Trinamool
not called in
Congress.
the Naroda
They
case?
only know how to
Then you
shout.
don't get an answer. Why is there no answer to it? Why is there no answer to it? Why is Shubhendu Adhikari
Why
not
are you
called in
bringing
the
in the
Narada case?
Narada case in the
brought up
book?
We are
Narada
going,
case.
we are again, ma'am, with due respect, we are again going into a loop of whataboutery where we'll keep talking about Lakhimpur, Hathras, but we'll not answer a specific question being asked of the current situation. Tausif Ahmed, let me bring you in. Is it true, as Bharti Ghosh says, that influence is being wielded now on victims, survivors, and witnesses in Birbhum? She was a member of that fact-finding panel. She's saying, I was attacked, and now witnesses are being influenced. Tausif Ahmed.
Saying it. Najma Sheikh said it before dying.
No,
misleading.
it is
They are
true.
Sheikh
It is true
Lal,
that
her husband,
influence is being used.
Everybody
But
in Birbhum
who is using this
Shame on
influence?
you.
That is to be
Shame on
probed.
this fact-finding.
You see the decision by can you please ask them to not give me this background music? Yeah, so you can stop shouting. Now, the fact that the Delhi BJP chose to send a team to the crime scene smacks of conspiracy. There is a threat of intimidating the victims, the witness, and to play with the crime scene. What is the need of a political delegation to visit the crime scene when the Central Investigative Agency, upon the court's order, is
So you think
conducting the
it is
investigation?
legitimate to
What
attack
is the
them
need
because they've gone
for the
there for a
political
fact-finding
team
mission?
to send a report? It's a fact. It's not a fact. It's a false allegation.
It's a false
because
allegation.
From the day one,
democracy, my
the
dear.
crime
This is
happened.
democracy.
Bharti Ghosh,
From
it's a
the
false
day one,
allegation.
nobody was
Everybody
stopped.
has a right to
It
go
was
to the scene of crime and see
BJP's
what is
delegation,
happening to the
CPM
people of
delegation,
West
Congress
Bengal.
delegation,
You
everyone
cannot contain
visited
people. You
the
cannot
village.
prevent people.
Everyone
You
spoke
cannot
to the
stop us
victim.
from
Now,
saying what we want to
now,
say.
now a
We have
team
every right
led by a
to
former
visit
IPS
every
officer
inch
who
of
once
West Bengal.
infamously said that UP আর বিহার থেকে লোককে এনে তোমাদেরকে কুত্তা মতন পিটাবো. This is the statement of Miss Bharti Ghosh, who is speaking to you now.
That
in
was not
2019
my
election,
voice. Don't
she was an
bring
MP
in other
candidate,
things.
and on
You
record
are
she
trying
said
to
that she
dilute.
will.
You are trying to
No,
dilute
and
the
that is the
whole
reason she lost the
conversation
election.
And the topic.
Even in
Doesn't matter what
2021.
I said over there.
She
What
contested
happened
and she lost
in the
the
history
election.
of West Bengal
These are
as
the
a black
people
mark,
who are
as a
politically
very, very
biased
dark
people.
mark in the
These are the
Trinamool-led
people
state
who are
government's
part of the
administration.
fact-finding
Police
team,
was
the
there.
so-called
They did not do
fact-finding team
anything.
of the
Big
opposition.
TMC
Bharti
leaders
who
Ghosh
has
is,
were there.
Bharti Ghosh is
Encouraging
biased.
the mass
Bharti Ghosh is biased because of her political affiliation. The Calcutta High Court maybe also is motivated because again and again it's being said that institutions are being taken over by BJP. Let me bring in Nupur Sharma
Calcutta
again.
High
The
Court
fact,
never
just a
said
second,
that
Nupur
he
Sharma,
does
the
not
fact
trust
that
the
tomorrow the
government.
Prime Minister
Let me
will be
tell you.
meeting MPs of the BJP from West
it is
Bengal,
wrong.
the fact that there has been a fact-finding mission which has gone, the fact that again and again leaders like Shubhendu Adhikari are saying we need central intervention. Is this a precursor to taking action against the West Bengal government? Nupur Sharma. Is all of this going in that direction?
There's no doubt.
We are not the one saying. We are not the one only saying.
There's no
Just a
doubt
second, please.
in West
Nupur Sharma.
Bengal, there is a Tanashah government. Padmaja, please allow me. Please. There is no doubt that in West Bengal there is a Tanashah government, which is a very vindictive and failed administration for that matter. The fact that you belong to a particular political party does not make you lesser of a human. Law and order is a state subject. The buck stops with the Home Minister and Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. But I just want to come to my colleague, my legal colleague. Sir, you may want to enlighten us. Without any evidence that they tried to influence the investigation, all that you just said in your intervention
judgment
right now
where High
is
Court
nothing
said
but
that it
pure
does not trust
allegation,
Bengal
rather
government.
empty
You have
vessel
said
make
it.
maximum noise. No, No, did the High Court say that we from
Yes.
now on?
And
there
you
would
are
be
the
this
one
topple
making
in
the
place which will
loudest
stop
noise.
a fact-finding
You are the
committee.
one
Where
who
is
is
it?
making the
Where
noise,
is
and
it?
you are
Where is
implementing
it?
in your own
Where is
admission.
it? Forget it. Forget it. Now you're screaming. Yeah, because you are now heckling me. You are the one who's actually
Show
making
me
more
from the
noise and
judgment
no
or order of
evidence.
the High Court where
Empty
it said that it
allegations.
does not
Please
trust
show
the
me the
High
line.
Bengal
Show me
judgment.
from the
Show it to
judgment.
me.
Show me from the High Court. So show me from the judgment where it says that
No,
no
you
political
come
person
from-
can visit
you come
Rampurhat.
on TV
I
and
challenge
you speak
Show
repeated
it to me.
lies.
That
Okay,
Article
let me
19 is
actually-
not going
How
to you
can
for
you
the
come on
Just a
TV
second.
and
I
speak
think Tawseef Ahmed, you haven't read the court judgment. Let me quote to you where, while handing over the investigation to the CBI, the court said, "We have taken note of serious apprehension expressed before this court about fair investigation in the hands of the local police or SIT by raising the plea that the incident is result of political group rivalry. They are even remarked on the antecedents of the people who were appointed to the SIT, sir, and said in the interest of justice, the CBI has to investigate the case." So basically, the court said very clearly, we think your SIT is suspect. We do not trust justice will happen over here. So we have to give it to the CBI. That being said, Dr. Shashi Panja, do you think that all of this is now headed in a direction where there could be central intervention? The Congress is asking for it, the left is asking for it, Shubhendu Adhikari has again and again asked for it, the PM is meeting BJP MPs tomorrow. Dr. Panja.
The court found TNC. The court found
It's very unfortunate, those who don't win through a democratic process. This particular process started from last year. Actually, ever since the assembly elections were won by Trinamool Congress, and very handsomely, you know. You were talking about that the people are asking questions and Mamata Banerjee answers the questions of the people. Somebody was asking, and that's why she has been handsomely winning in so many seats in Bengal. But ever since that has happened, there has been an agenda from the political party, Bharatiya Janata Party.
But ma'am, 9 people
is
did
to
not die
heckle
out
the
of
government.
agenda.
This is what it's been
the
happening.
EC couldn't have
There is an
agenda where they have suspended the campaign
No,
of
ma'am.
your MLA for 7 days. Do you think the EC has an agenda?
Ma'am,
The EC found your
No, ma'am,
MLA
I'm
to be
telling you.
threatening voters.
No, this. What makes you think? What makes you think that any government, an elected government, will want such a horrific
your own
incident?
agenda.
What makes you think? We
But
are very
ma'am,
happy about it.
If you're
It is
talking
between
about
our
agenda,
own
okay,
groups.
fine.
Our
Fine, the
own
BJP
groups
has an
fought. We
agenda.
have
But when the
our
election
own-
commission
our
says
own
that Mr.
voters
Naren
have lost
Chakravarti
their
was
lives.
threatening voters, are you saying the EC has an
Can you
agenda?
answer that? Now you go over to Naren Chakravarti. What happened? Now you switch over to Naren Chakravarti. We have barely finished speaking on the other
Because,
topic.
ma'am, if you are alleging agenda on the part of a political party, I'm asking you if the election commission also has an agenda.
Allow me,
You were talking
Padmaja.
about a precursor to three. You
Padmaja,
were
allow
talking
me to
about a
come in.
precursor to president's rule.
Padmaja,
See,
allow
this
me
is
to come
the
in.
agenda
Okay,
that they are trying
government in
to.
power.
Okay, this is the agenda. Final comment, Nupur Sharma.
Please accept that the Home Minister come Chief Minister has
This is
failed.
the agenda.
No, I'm sorry.
And-
You are saying
and
that no
regarding
government
the
would want
MLA,
such an incident to
regarding
happen.
the
Then
MLA,
why have you failed in
the election
controlling these
commission
incidents?
has taken
You're an
steps.
abject
The election
failure
commission
in
has
ensuring
said
any
that he will
safety
not
for the
speak
people.
or campaign
For that
for
matter, you
7
said
days.
CM is
It
most
is not
important.
like the
Your own
election
Chief
commission
Minister
in
said, मैं
Delhi
प्रधानमंत्री को नहीं मानती,
said that
मैं
only
मोदी
for
के थप्पड़
24
मारूंगी,
hours,
मैं मोदी को
Anurag
कंधा
Thakur,
पत्थर
a
भेजूंगी.
minister,
Sorry,
and Kapil
your
Mishra,
Chief
who were
Minister is
talking
not about the law.
hate speeches,
I again
were
challenge
said
you,
that
show
you
me
will
the
stay
judgment
away
of the
from
court,
campaign
just like
only for
Tawseef has to
24
show me a
hours.
judgment
So
which stops BJP
unfortunately,
people
we
from
are
visiting
saying
Rampurhat,
that
and for you,
BJP
which
and
holds
the
Anurag
central
Thakur
government
guilty.
is
For that
misusing
matter,
the
Mamata
ED,
Banerjee has been
EDI
pulled up 6
and
times for
somehow
blatant minority
influencing
appeasement by
election
Calcutta
commission
High
too.
Court.
Of
Mamata
course,
Banerjee has
these are
been
the
told she's
grounds
a
for which
failure,
we are saying
and the SIT
there
set
is
up by her
total
was capable
biasness.
of influencing.
Let us now
The
allow
courts
the
never
CBI
held
to
that the BJP
inquire,
fact-finding
and
committee
we
is
cannot
capable of
have a
influencing.
fact-
You
Okay.
run a
Finding
Tanashari
mission
dictatorship
trying to
government.
influence
That's your
and trying
reality,
to
and your
submit
Home
names.
Minister,
Who are
Mamata
there to
Banerjee, is
submit
an
names?
absolute
All
failure.
right, the reality will be out eventually when the investigation concludes. At last count, there were at least 2 major investigations which the CBI is carrying out, one into post-poll violence, one into the Birbhum violence, and of course, the Election Commission has already taken action against one MLA. But people deserve justice, and anything that is being covered up will eventually reveal itself. In that hope, thank you very much, all ladies and Tawseef Ahmed, for having joined us.